Hey everyone, this is Lisa Little Toe. You see all these pretty papers in front of you because today I'm going to be talking about Papercakes by Serena B. So I found Serena B several years ago on YouTube when Smash books were popular and she had a whole bunch of Smash book videos. And I was really inspired by her style because it's very playful and fun. And she also loves doing a lot of Halloween things. And I think for a long time she wanted to start up her own shop. And then she created Papercakes, her own shop, with her very own designs. And I find that super inspiring. And right now I'm showing you guys her spooky pastel collection that I picked up on Black Friday when she had like a huge sale. And all these patterns are super cute. And you can use them all year round if you wanted, not just on Halloween. These come as digital downloads, so then you have to go and print them off yourself. I didn't have a printer when I bought these, but my workplace was pretty lenient, so I was able to print these at work. But if you don't have a printer, you can always go to your local Staples or Office Depot or any place like that. I've been using a lot of Papercakes in my journaling. Like here is a Thanksgiving spread, so you can see by the lettering I did. And so I just took this journaling card that I printed off a long time ago, and then behind it I have some of the Papercakes patterns and then a cute doily. Here is another Thanksgiving spread, and I just used the pumpkin paper as a background and then put our family photo there. And then on this week, we transitioned from November to December, so I used one of the Papercakes papers as a background here, and then there's a December calendar and a quote that I like that says, "Everything is impossible until you experience it," which is actually from Wong Fu Productions, one of their shorts, The Other Side of Yesterday. And then here, I did the same thing for, I think it was last week when we went from January to February. And then I used this paper with the conversation hearts, and they say boo, trick, eek, creep, and stuff like that. And it's super cute. And that's what I mean when I say that these papers aren't just for Halloween. You can use them all year round if you wanted. And with some of Serena B's papers, I created this standard size traveler's notebook. Cover, I just used some cute scrapbooking paper that I had. I added a bead to the string in the center. And here's those conversation hearts again, which I really love. So thanks for watching, and I hope that I inspired some of you and that you guys go pick up some of the Papercakes products. And please check out my Instagram account at Lisa Little Toe, like this video, and subscribe to my channel.